Good evening, good evening, everyone. Can you hear me? Come on, if you're on YouTube and you can hear the sound of my voice, just drop something on the comment. If you're on YouTube, you can hear me, drop something on the comment. If you're on YouTube, you can hear me, just drop something on the comments, drop something on the comments, drop something on the comments. If you're on YouTube, you can hear me, just drop something on the comments. Welcome, 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 welcome. Welcome. Just drop something on the comments if you can hear me. If you can hear me loud and clear, we want you to drop something on the comments. We want you to drop something on the comments if you can hear us loud and clear. If you can hear me loud and clear, drop something on the comment. Drop something on the comment. Drop something on the comment. Come on, let's go. If you can hear me loud and clear, drop something on the comment. Drop something on the comment. Let's know that you can hear us loud and clear and we are ready to go. Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for the feedback. We really do appreciate. Okay, so today we're going to be kicking off the AI prompt engineering training. I just want to give us the brief. Today is like our introductory session, and our introductory class is not a 1 day session. This session is going to hold for 1 week. That means throughout next week. Is that okay? So, what I'm here to do today is to actually give us a breakdown of how the section is going to be, and some of the things you need to get yourself ready around, because of this course is going to be a whole lot, right? It's going to be a whole lot, so you need to get yourself ready, you need to get yourself prepared. Is that okay? Now, the first very important question is going to be, why AI? Is that okay? Why are we coming up with a course like this? Is that okay? Why are we coming up with a course called AI prompt engineering? And one of the most important things you need to realize in this age and in this time is that you can't do anything right now without, you can almost do nothing right now without talking about AI, because of whether you like it or not. I'm a usual fan of saying this, whether you like it or not, growth is happening across every industry. Is that okay? Growth is happening across every industry. And the earlier you start understanding this and you start taking action, the better, right? And when we talk about that, when we mention that word growth, that's where AI comes in, because we're entering, or we have already entered, not we're entering rather, we have already entered the dispensation where AI is now the new thing, is now the new big deal. Is that okay? A lot of things are going on right now with AI. People are building products using AI. People are building AIs that could do one exceptional thing, help us to do research, help us to do some amazing thing across every walks of life, help us for productivity, help us to do marketing, help us to do a lot of things. And this is one of the reasons why in this today's age and time, if you don't have a knowledge on AI, or you don't know how to use AI, or you're not planning to become someone who is illiterate on AI, and knowing, when I'm using the word knowing how to use AI, or the sentence knowing how to use AI, I'm not just talking about you are aware, but I'm saying you are aware and you can actually utilize this tool in order to boost your productivity, in order for you to get a positive outcome that you desire. And this is one of the reasons why we are coming up with this wonderful and mighty course called AI prompt engineering. Is that okay? Now, let me just give you a brief on some of the things that we are going to be talking about around this course. Is that okay? This course is going to be holding 3 times in a week. Is that okay? It's just for the whole of next week. So we are going to be having the Monday session, the Wednesday session, and finally the Friday session is going to end on Friday next week. So on the Monday session, the Wednesday session, and the Friday session, come on, if you can hear me, put on the comment section yes, 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 so that I know that you can hear me. So these 3 sessions we are going to be having for this course: the Monday session, the Wednesday session, and the Friday session. And some of the things we are going to be covering around this course that might interest you, let me just go over a few. Some of these we're going to be covering around this course. First of all, we are going to be giving you a holistic understanding of AI, right? And what AI is all about. Because of one thing I've come to realize is that a lot of people have very half baked knowledge of what AI is even all about and why the big deal around AI. Is that okay? So we're going to be taking our time to break down the holistic view on AI, the different kind of AI, so that you don't think that AI is just only one arm, right? Or when you use the word AI, you think it's just only maybe tools that can help you to prompt. Is that okay? So we are going to be breaking that down so that when you sit down with someone else and you will be able to explain AI in a very more understandable manner. Is that okay? So another thing again we're going to be diving into during this whole wonderful session, we're going to be taking you through what we call prompt engineering, how to be better or beat 99% of people when it has to do with prompting or carrying out prompt engineering using AI. Is that okay? So we're going to be diving into this aspect. This is a very, very broad aspect, and this is one of the aspects that if you are someone trying to get yourself aware in this 2025 and beyond, you need to be in the AI industry. Rather, you need to be very, very much aware and be very conversant with prompt engineering when it has to do with AI. So we're going to be taking our time to go around prompt engineering, going in depth, different kind of prompting that you have never heard before, different kind of ways you can prompt things, different kind of ways you can make AI to work for you. That is what prompt engineering basically means. Is that okay? The best way to have a conversation with AI to give you the best result you're looking for different kinds of things, or to get different kind of results. Is that okay? So we're going to be taking our time to go through this lane in order to explain this thing explicitly for each and every one of us, how to really, really prompt AI. Have you been doing it the correct way? Have you been doing it the right way? Or maybe you have been doing it the wrong way and you don't even know yourself. So you want to make sure you are in this section, you are in this class, because we'll be taking our time to break this thing down. Is that okay? Another thing again, we're going to be diving in this session, and that's, and again, we're going to be diving in this session, or through this session, we're going to be talking about how to use AI for content creation. Very, very important topic in our today's world. How to use AI for content creation. When I talk about content creation, there are different aspects in content creation. We're talking about social content, we're talking about marketing content, we're talking about creative writing, we're talking about SEO, we're talking about educational content. Is that okay? So content, because of one of the things that you need to realize in the on the internet this age and time, is that content is ruling the internet. Content is ruling the internet. I'm going to say that again. Content is ruling the internet. So you need to know how to use AI to generate those kind of content that helps you to actually become more relevant on this internet space. So we're going to be teaching you how to use AI in order for you to boost your content strategy. If you're a content person, you're a content marketer, you're a content creator, we're going to be showing you how to use AI. And maybe you've not even gotten into the content industry, but you want to get into, right? We're still going to be showing you how to use AI in order for you to be part of those who are in this content industry. Maybe you want to do things like what we call faceless content, or you want to do things like face content, right? Faceless content is the kind of content page that you have that it doesn't require you showing your physical nature. Is that okay? But you are still able to create amazing content using AI tools, right? That still gets viral, that still goes viral rather, and still gets you monetized. Is that okay? So we're going to be taking you through this as well. Another thing again that we're going to be touching, also going to be touching our research information um synthetics, in the use of AI, research and information synthetics, how to get information that you need, how to validate information using AI. For those of you that are working in different organizations, like you're working in whether finance, you're working in administration and all that, this area is one of the area you want to make sure you pay attention to. Is that okay? So we're going to be diving through this area per se. So we are going to do other ones as relating to marketing, website building, right? In our today's world, you can build websites, you can design websites just with the use of AI. And we're going to be showing you how you can be able to utilize AI in order for you to build websites, in order for you to create amazing websites and all that. So we're going to be touching some of these things. Is that okay? So it's really going to be an amazing one. And the next 3 days, we're going to be having on Monday, on Wednesday, and Friday, we're going to be hitting all these things accordingly. So you want to make sure you don't miss that. Okay, so another thing again, we're going to be touching, or we will touch, we'll talk about AI. I said it earlier, for different aspect of marketing. We're going to be talking about AI for search engine optimization, for email marketing, when you want to do what we call email sequencing. Is that okay for those of you that are marketers, or those of you that want to go into the marketing space? Is that okay? So we will be talking about this, and you want to be part of that. We want to also use AI for analytics, right? For those of you that are into the analytical space, right? Data analysis and all that, we're going to be showing you how to use AI to transform not just your knowledge, not just your skill set, but the experience you get as a data analyst. Right, so these are some of the things we will be using AI for. And finally, we'll end the whole forum with talking about how to use AI to do what we call job applications, right? Career growth, for your job application, to build your portfolio for career growth. For those of you that are currently job hunting, and you are tired, maybe because of you have job hunted by yourself for quite some time now. So we're going to be showing you some wonderful AI tools that can do this job hunting for you. Is that okay? So artificial intelligence has gone so wide and so interesting that even AI helps you to do job hunting, right? So we will be showing you how to utilize some of this AI tool that can help you to do job hunting and actually ease your job hunting process. Is that okay? And also boost your career, how to use AI to update your portfolio to get the best content around your portfolio and all that. So these are some of the things we'll be talking around this course. So what I'm telling you guys tonight is for each and every one of us to brace up. Is that okay? Come on, somebody put it on the comment. Brace up. Tell somebody to brace up. Put it on the comment. Brace up. Brace up. This particular training is very, very for just a few people. Is that okay? People around the digital clinic, we really did not publicize this for a lot of people, right? So you are, if you're here, you're going to be part of this training. Trust me, you're opportune for you to be here, right? Especially those of you that were part of our digital clinic. But if you weren't part of the digital clinic section, you are still welcome, and you should also brace up. Is that okay? So you want to make sure you brace up, because of it's going to be one time AI training that you will wish we did this earlier, you will wish we started this earlier. So some of the requirement for this, I'll just mention some of the requirement that you'll be needing for this training come Monday. Monday, starting Monday, Let me just get the exact time. Monday the 17th, Wednesday the 19th, and Friday the 24th. So we're going to be having this training the 17th, the 19th, and the 21st. Is that okay? So this is what we're going to be doing. So you need a laptop. Yes, 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 yes. You need a laptop. As much as you can do some of the things we're talking about using your phone, right? But to get a very incredible experience using these AI tools we're going to be introducing you to, we really, really appreciate you using a PC. Is that okay? Though you can do 50 to 55% of the things we're going to do using your mobile, but we are not here for you to get the experience of only 55%. We want you to get 100% experience. Is that okay? And that's why we really, really appreciate you getting a PC, a working PC for this. All the tools that you'll be needing, we're going to be taking you through on how to get them installed or how to access them, even though we're going to be using some for the browser versions, some for the desktop tools. Most of these tools are not very, very difficult to install. They are very simple to get them installed on your PC. Is that okay? So some of the obvious tools you should get installed or you should get with on your PC, you need to have Chat GPT. This is very popular. We're going to be going around Chat GPT a lot, right? Because one of those popular AI tool out there, right? One of the OGs when it has to do with AI tools. Is that okay? So you want to get Chat GPT. If you want to get the desktop version, you can. If you want to be using the web version, you can as well. They'll still give you the both they'll still give you the same results. Is that okay? So you need to just go ahead, sign up on ChatGPT. The free account is okay, right? If you have the paid version, still cool, but the free account is just fine. So if you don't have the paid version, you have the free version, still fine. But just go make sure you sign up for a free version. It's not that difficult to sign up. You just want to go ahead and sign up. So any other tool we're going to be using the likes of Gemini, the likes of Copilot, the likes of Lovable, and some other wonderful tools we are going to be introducing to you, right? As well, all these tools are easily accessible via your browser. Is that okay? So it will not be something difficult. And this is one of the reasons why we need you to use a PC. Is that okay? This is one of the reasons why we need you to use a PC and not just a phone. So another thing again, you're going to be needing in this training or for this training, you're going to be needing good internet connection, right? Very, very important because we are going to be doing most of the things practical based and live. Is that okay? So you'll be needing a good internet connection. So make sure you get your internet in place. Is that okay? And finally, definitely, obviously, you need good power supply. Is that okay? You need very, very good power supply for our training. So this training is going to be holding on Monday, on Wednesday, and on Friday. On Friday, we're going to be wrapping it up, but on Monday, on Wednesday, and on Friday, we're going to be wrapping it up. So you want to be part of this class. So start getting yourself ready, start scheduling your time. For those of us that are working, maybe take some SQs. It's going to be holding same time, 7 p.m., right? Same time like this introduction and or induction, right? So 7 p.m. on Monday, 7 p.m. on 2 hours. It's going to be 2 hours, 7 to 9 at the dot. We're not going to exceed 9. So 7 to 9. So just 2 hours per day, 7 to 9. So brace up on Monday, brace up on Wednesday, and finally brace up for us to have a wrap up on Friday. And the earlier, make sure there won't be any delay in class at exactly 7. I'm live. Is that okay? No time for warm up. Is that okay? We're not going to be doing a whole bunch of warm up that we usually do during some of our programs. Is that okay? So by 7 at the dot, I'm live and we're getting into what we need to get to. If you come late, you have no option than to watch the record session, but there will always be record session for those of you that due to one thing or the other, you missed something. Is that okay? So if you got everything I said, put on the comment section, put on the comment section, ready to go. Put on the comment section, ready to go, ready to go. I really welcome each and every one of you for this, right? I welcome each and every one of you for this. Put on the comment section, ready to go. For this session, by the way, for this session, um, ready to go, ready to go, ready to go, ready to go, ready to go. Come on, can I see that coming in on the comments? Can I see that coming in on the comments as we all get ready? Can I see that coming in on the comments as we all get ready? Can I see that coming in on the comments? Can I see that coming in on the comments? Ready to go, ready to go, ready to go, ready to go. Ready to go, ready to go, ready to go, ready to go, ready to go. Can I see that coming in on the comment? Come on, you all. Let's go. Okay, okay. Okay, just before we wrap it up tonight for this induction, you can't come into an AI class and you don't learn one thing around AI. So before we proceed, all these things are part of the things we're going to teach you in class, but let me just teach you something new today for some of you. Now, I want to just show you how to utilize AI more than 99% of people, so that even from tonight you can start utilizing AI. Now, one of the problems we have, or a lot of people have with AI, is when trying to prompt AI and they're not getting the feedback that they need, right? So, one of the best ways to prompt AI is to use, I'll teach you two ways, is to use what we call master prompts and using what we call system prompts. I'm going to say that again, using what we call master prompts and using what we call system prompts. These are two best ways to prompt AI. Put it on the comment section, master prompts and system prompt. And I see that coming in. Master prompts and system prompt. So we have master prompt and system prompt. Now, what does master prompts entail? Master prompts entail the ability to allow AI to receive your identity, right? Or to receive the information about what you want the AI to do for you first. Is that okay? Giving AI or feeding that AI to the information that you need before you ask the question that you want to ask. Is that okay? I'm going to say the three steps. Number one, feeding the AI the information it needs. Number two, getting the prompts that satisfy that information from the AI. And number three, going ahead to ask the AI the question you want to ask using the prompt it has given to you. Now, what do I mean? For instance, if you want to, for instance, let's say you want to make a research on, let me think of something. Let me think of a research that I did recently. Let me just go to one of my tools and check a research I did recently. Let me see. Okay, okay. So for instance, I did some research around the top tech trends recently, just some couple of hours ago, right? So I did some research about the top tech trends happening, and I did a very thorough research around that. Now, for you to make some research like this and you want the AI to give you the feedback you're looking for, it's not just to go to the AI tool and type top trends or top tech trends in the world. You might just get the general things you're looking for, but first of all, you might just get the general knowledge that the AI will just pick from different blogs and all that and give back to you. But if you want to get the best answer to this, one of the things you need to go is to not just type top trends, you break down, get into details, get into specific, the kind of trends you're looking for. Go ahead, identify yourself, tell the AI why you need the trend, tell the AI what you want to use the trend for, tell the AI what are those key things you're looking for from those trends. Is that okay? Now, the moment you provide those information about the trends to the AI, then you end that particular message you're trying to send to the AI, or prompts you're trying to send to the AI, telling the AI to give you the prompts that will best give you the result you're looking for. Is that okay? To give you the prompts that will best give you the result you're looking for. For instance, I want to find top trends around data analysis. For instance, I can go ahead and say, let's say I use a Copilot a lot. Is that okay? I use that a lot. I also use Chat GPT a lot. So let me just use Copilot as an example. I can say, Copilot, I want to find the top trends in tech that can help you, that can give you high income, right, within a specific period of time, maybe within 2 to 3 years. Is that okay? And it's something that is easy for you to get remote jobs in countries like the UK, in countries like US, like English speaking countries, right? Now, if I break this down to the AI, I'll now go ahead and say, give me the best prompt. You see what I'm talking about? I will go ahead and say, give me the best prompts that will give me the result I'm looking for. I will not just type those things and then send it to the AI to give me feedback, but rather I will go ahead, after typing those things, I'll go ahead and tell the AI to give me the best prompt that will give me the feedback of these things I'm looking for. When I send it to the AI will first give me the best prompt that will help me to find the answer to what I'm looking for. Are you guys getting what I'm saying? So when I send it to the AI, it gives me, don't worry, all these things I'll show you in a live practical class. I'm just giving you a breakdown because we came for an induction. I don't want you guys to leave without getting something. Is that okay? So I'll go ahead, and once I forward it to Copilot, or I forward it to Chat GPT or Gemini, at the end of the day, it will return me back with a prompt, with one of the best prompts it have looked at, that will help me to give me that result I'm looking for. And then when it gives me that prompt, I go ahead and then send it back to it, or prompt the AI using that prompt. And you'll find out that the result you will get is better than the result you would have gotten if you just go ahead and send your own prompt without telling the AI to give you back prompt, to give you back the best prompt that we want, that we solve or give I or we achieve your need. Is that okay? We call that using what we call master prompt. So the prompt that the AI gives back to you is what we call the master prompt for that challenge, for that question, for that information, for that research that you want to what you want to get. So that's number one, using master prompt. Number two, using system prompts. Now, how do you do system prompt? Now, system prompt is sets of prompts that you have gotten from the AI, or let me use sets of master prompts that you have gotten as a template for searching for a particular thing anytime you want to look for it. Is that okay? For instance, let's say I want to prompt AI to give me some copies. Is that okay? Or let's say design. I use AI a lot for design research. So um I want to prompt AI to give me some, let's say, some mood board, right? I'm doing some mood board, or I'm trying to gather inspiration for some UI design. For instance, I'm just giving you guys a context. I'm trying to tell AI to give me results for some designs that I want to use to brainstorm for what I want to design. Is that okay? Don't worry. Someone is asking, hello, your screen is not showing. My screen is showing, but I'm not actually projecting anything. My screen is just showing Learn AI, the flyer. Is that okay? Today is not class. Don't mind me. Today is not class. I'm just trying to teach you something real quick. Is that okay? From Monday, we're going to be taking it ABC standard. Is that okay? Today is not really class like that. Is that okay? So what is system prompt? System prompt is when you go ahead and start using your AI for research, right? You keep prompting the AI or asking it just random questions until you are able to get the best answer. Is that okay? For instance, if I keep prompting the AI and say, give me a design for the header and all that, and I'll keep prompting and prompting and prompting, and it finally gives me, after maybe 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 prompts, it finally gives me the result I'm looking for. Now, when I get that result, what I will now do in order to save that as a template, because of I don't know the exact prompt that gave me that result. I was just prompting from one prompt to another, to another, to another, those of you that use AI very well, you understand what I'm talking about. From one prompt to another, to another, to another, to another, until I got my answer, right? So instead of me to just take the answer like that and move to another thing, what I will do is that I will now ask that AI to actually give me the prompt that would have given me this answer from the beginning. Do you get what I'm saying? Had it been I knew the prompt that gave me the answer after I've been asking series of questions, had it been I knew the prompt, I will not be asking those series of questions. Is that okay? So I'll ask the AI to give me the prompt that would have given me the answer, and at the end of the day, it will bring out that prompt that I wish I knew. It would have given me that answer and saved me a whole bunch of time asking the AI different questions to get to my results. Is that okay? So when I get that prompt, that's what we call the system prompt for those kind of things. So you can take that prompt as a template and save it somewhere, so that anytime you want to ask that kind of question that is relating to design inspiration or design mood boarding, you already have a prompt that you can pick and edit in order to ask your question, and save yourself the stress and the time for asking a whole lot of questions to get your result. Is that okay? So this is two ways you can start prompting AI from tonight. So you can either be using what we call a system prompt, or you can be using what we call a master prompt, right? Most of these things I'll break it down practically for you guys in our Monday, Wednesday, and Friday class, right? So make sure you are there. Make sure you're not found missing. My name is Favor Francis. This is ID Innovate Africa, and welcome to ID Innovate AI School, where we're going to be having an amazing time and telling you how you transform your digital space and your digital community using AI. Thank you guys so much. So I can't wait to see you on Monday. I can't wait to see you on Monday. Your qualification method is just for you to show up on Monday and you'll be part of this class. So the moment you show up on Monday, you'll be part of this class. So I can't wait to see you. Make sure you get yourself ready, get all your tools ready, get them in order. And if you are ready for this class, let's just end the session with on the call. Just put I can, I will, and I must. Don't forget that. I can, I will, and I must. Come on, can I see that coming from everybody? I can, I will, and I must. I can, I will, and I must. Until I see you on Monday, I can, I will, and I must. Come on, can we get that coming? I can, I will, and I must. I want to see that coming, guys. I can, I will, and I must. I can, I will, and I must. I can, I will, and I must. My name is Phil Francis. We'll see you on Monday.